You see, for example, when I just open Forbes and then I scroll down, you have an ad here which also have a video ad right there. Now I want to talk about the new feature that Ezoic just released on their platform. 3 types of ad that if you use Ezoic you should probably turn on. Those are in image ad, vignette ads, and interstitial video ads. And you need to activate them because they definitely produce higher earnings on your blog. So first thing, when you log in on your Ezoic account, you want to go under monetization tab, and then under monetization tab you scroll down. This is monetization, this is ad tester, and then you click on turn on settings. You scroll down, and for now you will only see, if you're active on Ezoic, you will only see sticky sidebar turn on. You will see these turn on as well, and maybe this one turned on. I purposefully turned this one off. But these are the new types of ad that Ezoic has introduced, that they can automatically test on your site and see whether they produce you higher revenue. For now, for example, when you get on my site, the MMS Experience, what you will see is that I only have display ads everywhere. I don't have any video ad or any image ad. Now, what this new feature will do, if you turn that on, I'm just going to turn it on, all of it, and Ezoic will test on the placeholder that I've already specified. So what you will see over time is that if you introduce the video ad, that will actually appear on the right, like bottom right corner, just like you saw with the Forbes one, where the video appears here on the bottom right corner. Those are video ads. So on the image ad, it says this is to test additional ad that lock onto the bottom of eligible site image. So on your image, for example, or on your site, if I go on your site, when there will be an image, suppose this is your site and this is an image, you will see that there will be an image ad right at the bottom of this image, for example, that will be stuck there, and that can also produce additional revenue. And vignette ad are the one that, so when someone searches for example, your site on Google, opened one page, during the page load, an image ad, like a full screen ad, would appear in a matter of seconds, and then it will transition to this page. But this is also an option that can produce your revenue, and the same can appear also on mobile and also on tablet if you activate those. And interstitial video ads are the ones that I just talked about, and if you read, it says this allows video ads that are muted by default to be tested, and they will appear at the floating bottom right hand corner of your site. Just like I said, when people will scroll down, it would appear right there. Just like you see on Forbes, the video ad appears right there. And lastly, the beta ad format. If you activate this option, it says it will allow you to opt in automatically to test new ad format as they become available. So what I will do for my site is that I will activate this because I want to test new ads automatically without having to come back and activate each one of them individually. So when a new ad becomes available, it will be automatically activated here. And then once you're done, you click on save, and then you just wait for the ad tester to start rolling out those ads on your site, and then seeing what exactly is the most profitable and what exactly can increase your income. Now that's what I wanted to show you in this video. If you really want to fully set up your Ezoic site, I want you to head over my site, themmsexperience.com, and at the menu right here on the online business software, if you click here on best AdSense alternative for higher earning Ezoic review, you will land on this page that covers everything you will need to know about Ezoic, at least my opinion about Ezoic, from the requirement to the setup to the benefit, and also my monthly earnings with Ezoic, screenshot of my monthly earning. Now there is one video. First of all, you need to click on the link down below to join Ezoic, because it's a great platform that can really increase the earning on your blog compared to Adsense. But then if you want to fully set up Ezoic, you want to click on this link and then you want to watch this video. This is the one video that will walk you step by step tutorial video to fully set up your Ezoic. I hope that was helpful. Click on the link down below to join. And also, quick disclaimer before we close the video, I want you to check out my new blogging course. If you're also on my site, themmsexperience.com, you hover over store, blogging course, premium package. What that is that it is a full blogging course with a series of videos. This video will tell you the summary of what the blogging course is about, but then you will actually get access to a huge series of videos that I will update. I will actually add more videos every single month to that package in such a way that you will actually take your blog to the next level. And if you're a complete beginner, you will have the step-by-step process on how to start to how to launch your blog if you don't know anything about blogging. And you also have access to ebooks. You also have access to the list of 200 affiliate programs, 19 websites where you can hire a freelancer to write content for you, and a lot more. So I also want you to click on the link down below, access my site to access the blogging course, or you can simply come on my site, themmsexperience.com, on the store, you click on blogging course. Now the price right now is only $49.99, where you can pay with PayPal and Amazon and your Amazon account. And the price will likely increase in the future because there is so much value in this that most people will charge you $1,000 blogging course or $500 blogging course just to provide you half of the information that I'm providing you. So make sure you click on the link down below. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you can just gently smash the like button. It helps out the channel because the almighty YouTube algorithm will definitely see that other people like the video and promote it to a bigger crowd, which will allow other people to improve their lives. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.